storm has now arrived. Hello guys, Storm Boy 13. It's been filmed a bit late in the day, it's 8 in the evening. Yeah, I had other stuff to do. Life's not always free at hand sometimes. But anyways, it is time for the all-important weather for the week ahead. And we know it's half-term week coming up. And are we going to promise anything of a nice warm and summery theme? Not quite, I'm afraid. For most of the week. But let's go through detail day by day. But for today's weather, we have had a pretty unsettled day. Earlier we've had a lot of cloud and we have had some showery rain throughout the early afternoon stages. It's cleared away and a quite sunny evening as well. And temperatures today, despite the rain earlier, we still managed to reach 18 degrees Celsius, very respectable levels this time of the year. The rain chance we had today was 70% and it did rain, so that's nice weather. Mostly clear spells around, fairly fresh night, but a little bit low in rural areas. But generally it will be a calm, mostly clear night. The temperatures will drop to just single figures, 9 degrees Celsius, 0% chance of rain as high pressure briefly takes control. Now this week's weather, most of the week it will be a little bit cooler. Earlier, a few days ago, it was forecast to be a pretty miserable half term with temperatures well below average. Only slightly below average at its coolest, and by the time we get to the end of this week coming up, it's actually going to look significantly warmer once again. But the weather overall will be a bit changeable, some wet days, a few dry days, so a very typical half-term week. Now for Bank Holiday Monday tomorrow, and a very typical day tomorrow, it will be a bit cooler, but the sun is very strong this time of the year, so when you're out in the sun it's going to feel quite warm. Plenty of sunshine, but showers will be likely pretty much anywhere throughout the afternoon and evening hours, a few heavy ones as well. Temperatures not as high as it was today, with early highs of around 15 degrees Celsius, maybe 16 or 17 if you get the best of the sunshine for some places. Once again, the rain chance will be at around 60% on Monday, Bank Holiday Monday. Tuesday's looking another fairly similar day. Some sunny spells, maybe a little bit more cloud and probably lower temperatures as well as we get a bit of a full strength from the northwesterly wind. And again, the showers could be fairly heavy. I can't even rule out the odd rumble of thunder with these showers as well. Temperatures probably at its lowest throughout the whole week, 14 degrees Celsius, rain chances very similar at 60%. Now by Wednesday, briefly the weather will be settling down, so fewer showers. Still can't rule out the odd isolated heavy one, but most places will have a dry day on Wednesday, a very small ridge of high pressure. We'll see a bit more in the way of sunshine, and temperatures might get up to around 16 degrees Celsius on Wednesday if you get in any decent sunny spells, and it will feel a little bit warmer as well. The wind's not going to be too strong all week, might be a bit breezy at times by the end of the week, but it's nothing too stormy. So actually Wednesday will be a pretty decent one, and only a 20% chance of rain. But by the time we get to Thursday, we'll probably see another spell of rain or some showers spreading northwards. So we're going to start to see a change in the wind direction, so we're coming from a southwesterly direction. So that will bring in some warmer air by Thursday, but it's not going to be completely dry. Some showers at times, and but the temperatures could reach up to around 18 or 19 degrees Celsius. Very pleasant, by the way, if you're in any dry interludes. Rain chance fairly similar at around 60%, and again it stays very showery into Friday, but again plenty of sunshine about, feeling quite warm. There's a bit of uncertainty in the details, so it might be a little bit different possibly by the end of the week. It might stay the same, might not, but either way it will be warmer. There will be some sunshine. Temperatures once again high teens, 19 degrees, not out of the question. 70% chance of rain by Friday. But by the time we get to next weekend, we'll be well into the warm air, as the cold air will be sinking northwards as the jet stream takes will be above our area. So we're under the warm and fairly dry sector as well. So possibly by next Saturday we could see plenty of sunshine. At the moment it could be lower, could even be higher. At the moment temperatures will be reading out as 24 degrees Celsius. That's a week away, so can you believe it? Some very warm weather potentially next weekend. Plenty of sunny spells, fewer showers, only a 10% chance for a shower, maybe even a thunderstorm. And like I said, very warm and mostly sunny day next weekend. And as for next week, typical, why couldn't have been half-term week, is actually looking mainly dry, very few showers. It might still change a little bit possibly by next week, but it's still likely to be a very warm theme with good spells of sunshine and a nice way to start the summer 2019. Now, there you go, that's the weather for the week ahead. And also, when you notice, where did that video all of a sudden came from? I did the climate change presentation, just did it for college, and I thought, you know what, just try and spread awareness for those who are watching it. Just thought it would be a good idea, so I've kind of wanted to do that for this year. As you know, the the globe's climate is changing as I speak. And I'll probably try and get a few more videos. It's half-term weeks. I'll try and get a couple out if I can. I've got a few other things to sort out as well, but you know me, I will find some time for you guys. And like I said, any more videos you want me to do, comment below as always. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Have a fantastic week. If you're not doing anything for the half-term, enjoy it. And what we say for you guys, Storm Snow outs.